This timeline I have created this animation. This is the animation you are seeing in the corner of the screen. We just play this. This is the animation. Now this animation is having a transparent background, which means this black color region is a transparent region. To see the transparent region, we can go to this settings icon, check this transparency grid, and here we have this check marks, and this region is showing this transparent region. For example, if I just drag something onto this, here you can see that background is transparent. Now I want to export this video as a transparent video. Usually if we export it without doing this thing which I'm going to show you in this video, we're going to see a video which is having a black color background, which means if I just show you.
One eternity later.
Here I have a video which I have exported usually, which is a MP4 video. If I just drag this onto the Premiere, here we can see it is also having the same black color background. But if I just drag something below that, we can't see that because this is having a black color background which is not a transparent one. Now what I want to do is, I want to export this video as a video file which is having a transparent background. So to export this, obviously we need to go to the export window. So we're going to select this timeline and press Ctrl+M. And we are going to get this window, which I haven't got it yet because my laptop is slow.
Stop it. Get some help.
What you want to do is, we have to go to this format and then select this as QuickTime. Select the preset to be Apple ProRes. This one. And under these video settings, you can go to this Apple ProRes 4444, and if you go to this one, we can select this 8bpc plus alpha. Make sure to select this alpha, otherwise the video will be having a black color background. We need to make sure that we are selecting this alpha. We can just select this, use maximum render quality, and just exporting. Here we have this video which I have created. As you can see, this video is not playing on Windows. I'm not sure if it plays in Mac because I don't have a Mac, because I don't have money. We can only use this in Premiere. I mean, if you just drag this onto Premiere, this works on Premiere. So if you just drag something below this video, here we have this background. So this is having a transparent background. And also you have to keep in mind that these videos are having a lot of size. I mean, this video is now 106 MB, but the same video which is exported as a MP4 video is having just 704 KB. So this is storing more information because the background need to be transparent. So if your computer is having less space, then I don't recommend to export it as a transparent file. You can always copy this and drag it into another timeline and keep working on them. It's up to you. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and